The Suzuki Carry retains its classic, boxy silhouette in the 2026 minivan version. Its purposefully minimal exterior maximizes cargo and passenger space without any unnecessary frills. Its compact footprint makes tight city streets and congested parking lots feel much more manageable, giving it a leg up in busy urban environments. Under the hood, the 1.5 L K15B inline-4 petrol engine delivers around 95 horsepower and 135 Nm, echoing the setup found in larger Suzukis like the Ertiga but tuned for commercial use. It offers noticeably more power than the older 0.8 L engines, 37 horsepower, making acceleration more confident even when fully loaded. This model uses a 5-speed manual gearbox, with optional 2WD or 4WD configurations available in some markets. The 4WD version, especially with high-low ratios, is a boon for users in more rural or mountainous areas. Ride comfort leans utilitarian. The front uses McPherson struts, rear has leaf springs, which is fine under load but can feel harsh when unladen. The seating is straightforward vinyl-on fabric, ubiquitous in Japan's K-vans, focused more on longevity than luxury. Its turning circle is only about 4.4 meters, making U-turns and tight maneuvering a breeze, ideal for narrow streets. Visibility is excellent thanks to large windows, high seating, and minimal blind spots. Fuel consumption comes in at roughly 13 km/L in real-world tests, on par with, or slightly better than, older 0.8 L variants. Highway economy holds around 14 to 16 km/L, city figures near 12 to 13 km/L when hauling loads. Although it's not a high-speed cruiser, it can sustain 50 to 60 mph comfortably, though prolonged highway use beyond that speed sees noise rise and ride stability drop. Stability above 85 km/h, 50 mph isn't its forte. Construction quality is rugged, built to endure small businesses and daily hauling. Many owners report over 500,000 kilometers with only routine maintenance. The chassis and galvanized beds resist rust well. The dashboard is utilitarian. Power steering, basic AC, a 1DIN radio, USB unit, and essential gauges, functional, but lacking modern infotainment features. No touchscreen, Bluetooth, nor advanced connectivity, which is understandable at this price point. Safety gear includes 3-point seat belts, airbags, ABS in some markets, and a basic immobilizer, no advanced driver assist systems here. In markets like Pakistan, electronic features are pared back further. Payload capacity typically ranges from 600 to 1,000 kilograms, depending on the variant, making it versatile for commercial use. Cargo area options vary from flat deck, blind van, to utility van styles, each with practical, lowerable sides or gates. Maintenance is straightforward. The newer K-series engine uses a timing chain, cutting out costly belt replacements, and FE systems make starting cold easier. Parts are relatively common in many regions, although not as ubiquitous as Toyota variants. Highway stability and comfort get mixed reviews. Many owners say keep cruising speeds below 85 km/h to avoid discomfort, noise, and feeling light on its feet. Suspension feels acceptably firm under load but awkward empty. Off-road or rural use benefits from the 4WD option. Users report once engaged, it provides strong traction on slippery or uneven terrain, good for farm or mountain work. Interior space is surprisingly generous. Some markets seat 5 with foldable rear benches, others offer configurations up to 7 seats, depending on every Carry variants. Cargo volume can stretch to around 6 cubic meters in blind van layouts. Noise insulation is basic, so engine and road noise are noticeable inside, especially at higher speeds or on rough roads. But this again keeps costs down and simplicity up. Reliability is widely praised. Owners consistently report 100,000–150,000 km without major issues, with typical items like injectors, fluids, and brakes being routine. Body corrosion needs checking in older units. Ride tuning makes it primed for loaded operation. Empty, it can be bouncy. But that trade-off scores big when carrying goods or passengers regularly. With low acquisition and running costs, plus excellent durability and load options, it's ideal as a small business workhorse. Downsides: highway comfort, simplicity, and limited tech. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Carry minivan remains a no-nonsense, highly practical vehicle for commercial and utility purposes. Its strengths, rugged durability, flexibility, fuel economy, outweigh its shortcomings in speed, comfort, or tech. For anyone needing a dependable, cost-effective light hauler primarily used in urban or rural work environments, it's hard to find a better option at this price and capability level.